Number 1. Welcome back. If you're looking to add volume and shine to your lips with just one swipe, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into 5 of the best plumping glosses on the market. Whether you're after a subtle boost or full-on plump, we've got you covered. So let's get into it and find the perfect lip plumper for your needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Too Faced Lip Injection. The Too Faced Lip Injection lip gloss is a cult favorite for those seeking that instant plump. Known for its intense formula, this gloss is designed to deliver visibly fuller lips while keeping them soft and hydrated. Infused with a blend of botanicals and advanced plumping technology, it's become a must-have in the beauty world. Key features. One of the standout features of this lip gloss is its powerful plumping effect, which works within minutes to create fuller lips. It comes in a range of shades from clear to tinted colors, providing versatility for every occasion. The gloss is also infused with vitamin E, which helps nourish lips while providing a subtle, glossy finish. Benefits and usage. The primary benefit of Too Faced Lip Injection is its ability to provide visible lip plumping within minutes. It has a cooling sensation that feels refreshing, making it enjoyable to apply. It's perfect for anyone looking for an immediate lip boost, and you can layer it on top of other lip products to enhance their appearance. Plus, it's easy to apply with its sleek applicator. Usability. The gloss is easy to use, thanks to its smooth applicator wand that helps ensure even coverage. It's great for both beginners and seasoned makeup users. The formula is not sticky, making it comfortable to wear throughout the day, and the subtle plumping effect means it won't feel overwhelming. Durability. Too Faced Lip Injection is long-lasting for a lip gloss. While you may need to reapply it after eating or drinking, it offers a good amount of wear, providing a boost in volume and hydration for a few hours. The formula ensures that your lips remain moisturized even after the gloss starts to fade, making it a great choice for all-day wear. In the second spot, we have Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. The Dior Addict Lip Maximizer is a luxurious option in the world of lip plumping glosses. Offering a sleek, high-end design and a powerful formula, this gloss is more than just a beauty treatment. It's an indulgence for your lips. Enriched with hyaluronic acid and peptides, it not only plumps but also hydrates and nourishes lips for a fuller, smoother appearance. Key features. One of the key features of the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer is its inclusion of hyaluronic acid, a well-known ingredient that helps to retain moisture, keeping lips plump and hydrated. The gloss comes in various shades, from clear to light pinks, and gives off a high shine finish. It also has a unique cooling effect upon application, which adds to the experience of lip plumping. Benefits and usage. Dior's Lip Maximizer offers plumping benefits that are both instant and long-lasting. It hydrates the lips while also making them appear fuller and smoother. The gloss is versatile enough to be worn alone or layered over your favorite lip color for an added plumping effect. The smooth, glossy texture adds dimension, making lips look more youthful. Usability. Applying the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer is a breeze thanks to its precision applicator. The gloss is smooth, non-sticky, and provides comfortable wear throughout the day. While it has a cooling sensation, it's not overly intense, making it a great choice for people who want a gentle plumping effect without a heavy sting. Durability. Known for its staying power, the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer lasts for a few hours before reapplication is needed. The gloss's hydrating formula ensures that your lips remain nourished even after the gloss fades, making it a fantastic option for those looking for both plumping and hydration. Coming in at number 3 is the Buxom Full-On. Buxom's Full-On Lip Plumping Gloss is a longtime favorite for many beauty enthusiasts. With a range of shades and a tingly formula that promises plumper lips, this gloss provides a bold, shiny look with a noticeable boost in volume. It's ideal for anyone seeking both a volumizing effect and an intense shine. Key features. The Full-On Lip Plumping Gloss stands out with its inclusion of vitamins and nourishing ingredients like peptides and hyaluronic acid. The gloss is designed to plump the lips instantly, thanks to its special formula, and it comes in a wide range of shades. Its cooling, tingling sensation lets you know that it's working its magic on your lips. Benefits and usage. The key benefit of Buxom Full-On is its combination of lip plumping and hydration. It not only makes lips look fuller, but also ensures they stay moisturized throughout the day. The gloss is perfect for wearing alone or on top of lipsticks to add a glossy finish and extra volume. It's perfect for anyone who loves a tingly feeling and noticeable plumpness. Usability. The gloss applies easily with its smooth applicator wand, providing an even layer on the lips. It's lightweight, non-sticky, and provides a high shine finish that lasts for hours. While the plumping effect does come with a noticeable tingling sensation, it's not overwhelming and is usually well tolerated by most users. Durability. Buxom's Full-On Lip Plumping Gloss offers impressive longevity. While you may need to touch it up after eating or drinking, it gives a nice glossy finish that lasts for a couple of hours. The lip plumping effect also continues to make your lips appear fuller throughout wear. Taking our fourth spot is Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine. Urban Decay's Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss is a fantastic option for those who want glossy, plump lips without sacrificing comfort. Known for its smooth, non-sticky formula, this gloss provides a brilliant shine with a cooling plumping effect. It comes in a variety of shades, including neutrals and bold, vibrant colors. Key features. The Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss features a high shine finish that's perfect for adding a touch of glam to any look. It's formulated with a blend of nourishing ingredients, including aloe vera and vitamin E, which helps to keep lips hydrated while adding a subtle plumping effect. It also features a cooling sensation that enhances the plumping effect with every application. Benefits and usage. The primary benefit of this gloss is its ability to add instant shine while also plumping the lips. The formula is lightweight, and the cooling effect makes for a pleasant experience. It's easy to wear on its own for a natural glossy look, or it can be layered over other lip products for extra volume and shine. Usability. The gloss is easy to apply, thanks to its soft applicator that glides smoothly across the lips. The formula isn't sticky, making it comfortable for long wear. It provides a full-bodied shine and a subtle plumping effect, which is ideal for those who want a gentle enhancement to their lips without a strong tingling sensation. Durability. The Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss is long-lasting for a gloss. While reapplication is required after meals, the shine and hydration last for hours. The gloss also continues to deliver a plumping effect even after the initial application, which makes it a solid choice for all-day wear. And finally, at number 5, we have e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. e.l.f.'s Lip Plumping Gloss is an affordable option for those looking to add volume and shine to their lips without breaking the bank. The gloss provides a soft, plumping effect with a glossy finish. Infused with jojoba oil and vitamin E, it helps keep lips soft and nourished while providing a fuller appearance. Key features. This gloss is formulated with a blend of plumping ingredients, including peptides, that help enhance lip volume. The gloss comes in several shades, offering both subtle and more intense options. It also has a subtle tingling sensation, signaling that the plumping action is working. The inclusion of nourishing ingredients like vitamin E ensures your lips stay hydrated. Benefits and usage. e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss gives a subtle yet noticeable plumping effect. The gloss helps hydrate lips, leaving them soft and shiny. It's perfect for everyday wear and can be layered on top of other lip products for added plumpness and shine. The tingling sensation is mild and adds a refreshing feeling while wearing. Usability. The gloss applies smoothly thanks to its soft applicator. It's lightweight, non-sticky, and provides an impressive shine. Whether you want a light glossy finish or a plumping boost over your favorite lip color, this gloss is an excellent choice for quick, on-the-go use. Durability. e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss holds up well throughout the day, although it might require touch-ups after meals. The plumping effect is gentle but noticeable, and the gloss keeps your lips hydrated and glossy. For an affordable option, this gloss offers great performance without the high-end price tag. Number 5. There you have it. 5 of the best plumping glosses that offer a range of features, from cooling tingles to high shine finishes. Whether you're after a budget-friendly option or a luxurious treat, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember, choosing the right plumping gloss depends on your preferences, whether it's hydration, shine, or a more intense plump. Keep experimenting until you find the one that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.